This is the first time I design a package and fold it in Blender from D-Lines. I watched a whole tutorial video to make this and cut the parts which are going to be folded. Let's fold it. Shortcut keys and mouse clicks are really annoying. How do you even figure out things here? It is perfume packaging for baby girls. Are you lost? OMG, help. How should I fold these parts? Am I going to ruin it? Why I even made these little funny flower-like parts? To make it so hard? Oops. Let's fold this one too. Oh. I folded too much. If I am not able to fold this, how even the machines could do? It's simple. Because you are dumb but they are not. Damn, it's hard. Look. I made it. Oh no, what is this? Let's hide it behind. Yes, girl. I am proud of you. It's the best packaging ever. Mom, would you buy me one of these kids' perfume? Yes, of course, they are so cute. I am confused with keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, this is it. This gonna take forever. Folding. 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 Okay, genius. What should I do now? Noob as hell. Forget about making a unique design, just do a simple ordinary box. I can't believe this gonna work. Trust me, the final part won't be folded correctly. You see? As I said. Noob. Let's see the final result. Damn, you're so talented. I couldn't record the scene settings because my laptop was burning like hell. If I did it, you can do it. Just start.